What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to The Informed Trader. My name is Chris. In today's video, I just wanted to give you a brief update on Palantir, alright? We obviously have been bleeding all day, not just we. Look at the whole market here. Red. We've got a couple companies here and there that have shown a little bit of gains, but for the most part, the market is a complete sell-off right now. And that's due to a couple different things, not just because of GameStop or AMC or anything like that. There's actually some legitimate problems when it comes to the Fed right now that caused a huge sell-off in the market. I'm not really going to cover that because I just want to look at Palantir specifically right now and the gameplay I would do with it. Now, obviously, we're hugging this $24. I'll be honest with you, earlier today, I was like, if it comes below 25, I'd like to average down, and it went below 24. I was able to buy a few more shares. I'll show you my position here in a second. But honestly, guys, I just wanted to look at this in context as you know, GameStop is going crazy right now. Take a quick look at GameStop here. Obviously, still trying to get up there, you know, trying to get to the $200 range before market close. And I'm sure they're going to be pushing for that. And usually this stock goes crazy in the after hours. Let's change this to the 30-minute chart here. But anyway, what I wanted to say was, with GameStop going crazy, a lot of these stocks are being left behind. A lot of valuable companies, a lot of these ones that were bleeding anyway. And basically, these companies are at a huge discount right now, is all I'm saying. Palantir has a lot of potential. We know the people that are backing this company. We know what this company is capable of and what they plan to do in the future. Let's look at part of the reason for the sell-off here. All right, they disclosed $21.5 million in stock sales. And, you know, if you're a new investor in this company, you don't pay attention. We were expecting this once the lockup was over. All right, this tends to be, you know, a predictable event with employees trying to cash in on some profits, especially when the profits are as good as what Palantir has given them. All right, so the sales follow the expiration last week of Palantir's post-IPO lockup period. And obviously there's a big dip in price down to $26.38. And meanwhile, the S&P 500 was up at the time. So obviously we're down here in the power hour, obviously going as low as $23.15. Now, if this gets down to the $23 range again, I probably will be doubling down on some margin in my Robinhood account. And that's just because I'd like to average down my costs, and I just believe in this company, and I know it's going back up over time. Once we get past this GameStop, once we get the stimulus going, obviously, you know, there's impacts on the economy that the stimulus is going to have, period, with hyperinflation and things like that. But as far as just a play on the stock itself, Palantir is the time to grab, guys. We could have a huge jump once things get back to normal. If things get back to normal, you know what I mean? So let's jump over to my Robinhood account. All right, so I made some plays on GameStop, currently holding one share. I bought a call option way out of the money, made a few $100s for a day trade, was able to up another 9 shares on Palantir. As you see, I owned 41 shares. I'm at an average cost of $25.90, currently owning 59.6 shares. And obviously, I'm probably going to end up averaging down if this downtrend continues. All right, if we can get in at a cheaper price here, depending on what happens in the after hours and going into tomorrow. Got some margin I can use and can afford to buy some shares. I was thought about doing some call options, but probably going to let that go for a while. But anyway, guys, Palantir is a great long-term hold, obviously. And if you can afford to double down or get in the stock now, this is a huge discounted price, all right? Huge discount prices. $23, all right, and 86 cents as I'm recording this video. But anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on Palantir. Don't give up on the stock. Don't give up on the market itself. All right, there's a lot of uncertainty going ahead. When others are fearful, that's when you're to be greedy. When others are greedy, that's when you should be fearful, okay? So just remember those things. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe if you want daily content on the stock market, different analysis of different stocks. I'm going to be doing one on a penny stock tomorrow that I just bought into and I'm super excited about, with great potential and great returns in the future, I project. As long as nothing crazy happens, right? End of the world is tomorrow, they say. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. You're on The Informed Trader. I'll catch you in the next video.